Welcome back to Grayson's Kitchen. Today I'm going to be making a delicious bacon tomato pasta salad with homemade ranch dressing. Let's get cooking. The ingredients for this pasta salad are tricolor rotini pasta, cheddar cheese, sour cream, bacon, green onions, mayonnaise, cherry tomatoes. Let's get cooking. While we're waiting on the pasta water to come to a boil, I'm going to go ahead and fry our bacon. Now I usually do mine in the microwave, it's just easier. So you need about 10 pieces of bacon. It usually takes about 5 minutes. Okay, let's go ahead and get this in the microwave. Next, the recipe calls for 4 green onions minced. One box of tricolor rotini. We'll give this a good stir. I'm going to cook this for 10 minutes. Next, the recipe calls for 10 ounces of cherry tomatoes cut in half. Next, the recipe calls for 1 8-ounce block of sharp cheddar cheese cubed. Okay, it's time to go ahead and assemble our homemade ranch dressing. We're going to start with 8 ounces of sour cream. Next is 1/2 cup of mayonnaise. 1 teaspoon of distilled white vinegar. 1 tablespoon of dried dill. 1 tablespoon of dried parsley. Next is 1 teaspoon of garlic powder. 1 teaspoon of onion powder. Next is a 1/2 teaspoon of dried oregano. 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper. And a 1/2 teaspoon of salt. And let's just give this all a good mix. Oh wow, this smells so good. Boy, you can really smell that dill. This homemade ranch dressing recipe is so delicious. Okay, and there you go. That's how easy it is. And now it's time to assemble this delicious pasta salad. First, we're going to add our rotini pasta. Isn't that beautiful, y'all? Look at the colors of that. 10 ounces of grape tomatoes halved. Look at the color, y'all. Look at the color on that. Next is 10 slices of bacon. So I'm just going to crumble it in big pieces. So crispy. One 8-ounce block of sharp cheddar cheese cubed. The color of the salad is just beautiful. 4 green onions sliced. I'm just going to give this a shake. And last, we're just going to add our homemade ranch dressing right on top. I love these bowls. They have like a no slip bottom to them. And now let's just give this a toss. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and give it a taste. Oh, wow. I must say, I think this is gonna be one of my top 5 all-time favorite pasta salads. This is really delicious. The sweetness from the cherry tomatoes. I can taste the sharp cheddar cheese. The homemade ranch dressing is incredible. I can taste the dill coming through. Y'all, this is an amazing, amazing pasta salad. I certainly hope you give it a try. This bacon tomato pasta salad with homemade ranch dressing cost me $12.79 to make this entire bowl. I think that's a very cost-effective meal. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please don't forget to like and subscribe, as it does help me to continue to grow my channel and bring content and recipes like this to you each and every week. And as always, thank you for watching Grayson's Kitchen. I'll see you next time.